अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, हम इस वक्त यहाँ दुबई में मौजूद है जहाँ पे हमारे साथ एक नौ मुस्लिम हैं जिन्होंने रिसेंटली जो है वो इस्लाम कबूल किया है, हिंदुज़म से कन्वर्ट होकर इस्लाम में आई हैं। आइए हम इनसे इनकी इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरी जो है वो जानते हैं कि वो क्या चीज़ें थी जो इनको इस्लाम की तरफ माइल किया और इन्होंने इस्लाम कबूल किया। जी, वेलकम टू हक़ाइक़ न्यूज़। इनाया, आपको बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो। यू बिकेम ए मुस्लिम नाउ एंड let us now about that. What is the theme behind and what uh, thing inspired you to become a Muslim?
Assalamu alaikum. Myself Inaya. So I newly converted to Islam. So the main reason is my fiance. So because of him, my first thought of reverted to Islam is started in my mind. So not only that, so it's been like 3 years in Dubai I'm living. So every day I'm meeting so many Muslim people. So the way of their connection with God Allah, so their prayers and the way they behave, also their lifestyle, it's so much impressed me a lot. So in every day, how people are praying, how Muslim people are dressing up, also the way they behave with other girls, the way they respect each and everyone. So I liked it very much. So I felt better my lifestyle will be good with Islam when I tried to read Islam. I wanted to revert to Islam after meeting with all the people. So after these 3 years of experience in Dubai, so I feel very better now. Every day I'm learning so many things.
So, what is the inner change you feel? That what inside you change?
So when I started reading these prayers and all, first thing in my mind is I'm scared to do something wrong now. So that came into my mind. When I try to do something wrong, when I try to think something of wrong, I'm scared now. So previous it was not like that. Now I'm scared of doing wrong. My mind is always thinking to do good. So which is like main meaning of Quran. Like we have to do good, we should not do wrong. This type of thing started in my mind. This
Sure.
is like way of thinking changed from previous to
Is
now.
someone there to teach you about Islam further and further?
Yes, there are so many people. I have my friends, also my colleagues who are working with me. Also, there are some people in one Islamic center. They are really very good. They helped me a lot. So when I tell them that my plan is to revert to Islam, so that same moment they encouraged me a lot. They gave me respect. They encouraged me. They helped me a lot. I never felt any difficult in this country, which is very beautiful. If anyone wants to revert to Muslim, it's very simple, very easy, very good. So we have all opportunities. We can go there, and they're offering me classes, physical classes, online classes also. As my work schedule is not capable to attend classes physically, they also offer me online classes. So they're really
Okay.
good to help me.
For those who want to be a Muslim, so what is the feeling you can share with them to become a Muslim? Why they have to become Muslim?
Actually, every religion there is God, especially here in Islam. So what I felt is God is everywhere. So God is in every good thing, every human there is God, every good thing there is God. So do good, whatever you see good, you think there is God, you connect to God, God will help you to do all the things good, and God will also bring one meaning of your life. That's what I think after I changed it to
Okay,
Muslim.
we wish best of luck for you